This is a sound and magnetic anti-theft antenna. Open the package. There are two sound and magnetic anti-theft antenna, an accessory box. The size of the sound and magnetic antenna is 149.5 centimeters high, 41 centimeters wide, 3.8 centimeters thick. The appearance adopts the embedded LED lamp design. The color matching is modern and simple. Open the accessories box. There are power cords, connecting cable, remote controls, screws. Remove the front of the host shell. There are motherboard, debug board, buzzer. The back of the host has power supply board and transformer, secondary board, buzzer. One end is connected to the auxiliary unit. The other end connects to the host. One end is connected to the power supply plate port. Connect the power supply. Debug the remote control. Panel debugging. The following detection distance test with a hammer tag test. Detection distance can reach 2.4 meters. With a AM pencil tag test. Detection distance can reach 2 meters. With the AM soft label test, the detection distance can reach 1.7 meters. Sensitive, can quickly detect the bag in the non-removed anti-theft buckle. Thank you.